Hello guys, welcome back to the Nifty City channel. Meeting after quite some time. So सबसे पहले तो गणेश उत्सव, गणेश चतुर्थी की सबको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. So it is a big possibility कि बैकग्राउंड में आपको काफी म्यूजिक की आवाज आए. Can't really help it. People are rejoicing, विसर्जन चालू है, but it's very important that we record this video ताकि आप सबको क्लैरिटी आए कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. So as usual, we'll be discussing Dow Jones, we'll be discussing Nifty, we'll be discussing Bank Nifty. So firstly, coming to Dow. Okay, Dow Jones is our US market. So Dow में क्या हो रहा है? So as you can see, this is the weekly chart. Weekly chart पे we have a trend line like we have in Nifty, similar kind of a trend line. Now here what has happened is we have given a very solid evening star pattern with a follow through. Okay, 3 candle setup with a follow through. As per weekly chart, our support will be somewhere around here. Exact अगर मैं आपको level बताऊं, somewhere around 30,099. Okay, this is the level that we're looking at in Dow Jones. It is confirm downtrend. If I go to the daily chart, now as per the daily chart, if you see, you can see this is a clear, we have a breakout failure here of the trend line. As per Fibonacci, what do we have? As per Fibonacci, we had this golden level, 61.8% ka. They tried to take bounce from this level. But what has happened is somewhere around the 9 EMA on the daily chart, again, we have the US markets have taken a bad beating on Friday. Now, this bad beating on Friday could be of two reasons because kal US market band hai, Labor Day hai US mein. So extended weekend था. Maybe people don't want to take their positions over the weekend. इसीलिए इतनी aggressive selling आई है. But as per the charts, okay, now this is a bearish engulfing pattern here. As per the charts, directly we should go towards the 78.6% level. Okay, so which is coming to 30,640 odd. Right. So this is how Dow is placed. Okay, so right now, as per the charts, there is a negative sentiment in Dow. Okay, Nifty is somewhere stuck in between. ठीक है, काफी consolidate किया, एक अच्छा uptrend था. So let's move on to the Nifty chart. This is the Nifty chart. So as you guys know, नीचे से काफी अच्छा uptrending market, काफी अच्छा bounce हुआ 15,200 से, and अभी हम very healthy way में we are stuck in this range, right? Now, what are the important levels on Nifty? We will be discussing today, and where do we see the market? Okay, is market going to go towards 18,000 or market is going to go towards 17,000? Right now, obviously, no one can predict. We can only say agar ye hua to ye hoga. So ifs and buts are going to be there, obviously. So let's analyze as per the charts what can happen. Now, on the daily chart, if you see the most crucial point where below which, a closing below which downtrend will be confirmed is the 21 EMA, which is somewhere around 17,445 के आसपास आप पकड़ लीजिए. Okay, closing below 17,445, in my opinion, will directly open the doors first for 17,166, followed by this 50 EMA is going to be crucial. Okay, या तो ये 50 EMA पे सपोर्ट लेगा या तो ये 16,947 पे सपोर्ट ले सकता है. ओके, 50 EMA हमारा कहाँ पे आ रहा है? 50 EMA एज ऑफ टुडे इट इज कमिंग टू 17,050 के आसपास, राइट? सो एक अच्छा खासा डाउन मूव हम देख सकते हैं इफ 17,450 के नीचे हमको क्लोजिंग मिलती है. इफ वी गेट अ क्लोजिंग बिलो 17,450, then we can easily see 17,150 first, followed by 17,050. Okay, so good around 300-400 points का move हम देख सकते हैं. On the upside, what do we have? Upside पे we need a closing above 17,800. Okay, so you can say 17,725 is also a good level. इसके ऊपर directly we have to start sustaining. Importantly, 17,800 is our major resistance. Now let's move on to the smaller time frame for our intraday traders. So this is the 15-minute time frame. Okay, now 15-minute time frame mein we have closed somewhere here, right? Now, last week also we had discussed this as an important support zone. Okay, we have taken support here once, twice, thrice. Now the thing will be if we open gap down below this zone. Okay, now what is this zone? This zone is 17,468 to 17,492. If we open below this zone and we have a continuation, okay, if we start trading for the first 15 minutes below the VWAP, then you can go ahead and take a short trade. Okay, first target 17,401, second target 17,345 to 373 की range, right? Another important level will be 17,296. Now below this level 17,296 के level में directly we have this low that we have here of 17,166, which is also we will have a trend line support here. Okay, so this is a very important level 17,166. ये जो पीछे से ट्रेंड लाइन हमारा एक आ रहा है ट्रेंड जोन में कहूँ ऑन द बिगर टाइम फ्रेम, वो ट्रेंड जोन का भी कॉन्फ्लुएंस कहीं ना कहीं इधर आएगा. So this is a very important confluence, very important level. Okay. On the upside, now as we know, US markets are falling. Still, Indian markets have held on. So for whatever reason, we still don't fall. Okay, despite the US market sell-off, we still don't fall. Markets can start moving up. This is the important level. Okay, जहाँ जहाँ पे हमारा एक इधर हमने एक closing दी थी, which was kind of a bull trap, and then again we fell. So closing above this 17,726.5, you can start going long. 17,800 will still remain the major hurdle. Okay, so that is all about Nifty that we have. My personal view is little on the bearish side because see 17,800, 18,000 cross करने के लिए definitely I feel we need positive global cues. पॉजिटिव ग्लोबल क्यूज नहीं है हमारे पास एज ऑफ नाउ. मंडे को मार्केट्स बंद है यूएस मार्केट्स, सो डेफिनेटली वी कैन सी सम प्रेशर इन द इंडियन मार्केट्स अगर सुबह एशियन मार्केट्स नेगेटिव मिले. इफ आई शो यू द सिंगापुर निफ्टी एसजीएक्स चार्ट, so you can see directly there was a rise. US jobs data का data आया था. There was a rise in the market and then US markets crashed and we completely जितना ये गेन हुआ था आफ्टर मार्केट आज ये पूरा दे दिया है वापस रिटर्न. ओके, सो एसजीएक्स में भी ये इम्पोर्टेंट लेवल पे है, इम्पोर्टेंट फ्लोर पे है. जैसे ही ये ब्रीच हुआ वी विल सी अ गुड फॉल. So my personal opinion is little on the bearish side, but having said that, 17,000 is very important. It will be difficult for the bears to break 17,000 at least in this coming week. Okay, so अगर हम 16,800 to 17,000 की रेंज में चले जाते हैं, that will be a very good buying zone. As of now, I will not give any stock recommendations for you guys to go long on any stocks because the market is volatile, the market is in pressure. This volatility will maximum go on for 2 weeks and then we will again go on our uptrend journey. Right? Now moving on to Bank Nifty. What do we have in Bank Nifty? पहले daily chart देख लेते हैं Bank Nifty का. Bank Nifty is much more strongly placed than Nifty, I would say. So Bank Nifty में what do we have? We have the usual levels 39,595 and 39,421 on the upside. 39,000, another important level. Important zone 38,732 से 38,846. 38,602 is going to be a very crucial level. 38,602. We have the 21 EMA ka support also here, confluence and a swing. 38,602 is going to be very important. 38,313 and final level जिसके नीचे मैं बैंक निफ्टी को नहीं देख रहा हूँ is 37,950. Okay, so these are the important levels on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is slightly better placed than Nifty. It is showing more strength than Nifty. So I believe if Nifty is bouncing back from its 50 EMA, that is 17,050. Okay, if Nifty bounces back from there, I am expecting Bank Nifty to bounce from its 21 EMA. That is 38,602. Now let us talk about ओपन इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है, अगर आप ओपन इंटरेस्ट भी देखेंगे Now you can see PCR is 0.8 for the coming week. 0.8 is slightly towards the, I would say mildly towards the bearish side, but इस पे build up data हो सकता है. Now if you see on the put side, okay, we have some good put writing on 17,500, which will act as a good support. That's why I said go short only below 17,450. ठीक है, 17,450 के नीचे मार्केट ट्रेड होना चालू हो गया, then you can see the next biggest tower that we have is 17,000. Okay, slight support at 17,300 as per the zones I've already told you guys. Slight support, resistance side पे आप देखेंगे, so you can see higher towers. So there is a lot of resistance. Okay, this is, so this resistance, अगर हमको ये resistance take out करना है, definitely we will need a good global scenario. We will need Europe and US markets to rally for whatever reason, and then we can follow suit and we can break these resistance points. Otherwise, without that, I don't think this resistance is going to be broken that easily. First, we will see, according to me, a dip towards 17,150, 17,050 के आसपास, and then we can rally depending on how the market plays out. Now, obviously, since the market is at 17,550, we don't know market is going to go up or go down. Okay, but we know market is going to move, right? Market is not going to stay at 17,550. So I gave you guys a very simple strategy on Friday to execute. The strategy was basically, so what we do in option selling is we do short straddle. Short straddle क्या होता है कि हम सेम एट द मनी का कॉल और पुट दोनों बेच देते हैं एंड एक रेंज बनाते हैं. But when we know that the market is not going to be in a range, ठीक है, market is going to break out either on the upside or on the downside. ठीक है, अभी हमारा bias towards the downside ज्यादा है, but you never know, it can be either side. So in that situation, a long straddle is a very good strategy to execute. It requires very less margin. You're just basically trading two options, so you require very less options, less premium, and at the same time they can give you very good returns as well. So I'll be talking a little bit about that strategy. How do we have to play that strategy? So basically, this is the strategy that I gave. So 152 में 17,550 का पुट हमने परचेस किया, 153 में 17,550 का कॉल हमने परचेस किया, राइट? अभी हमारा लॉस कौन से जोन पे दिखा रहा है हम एज पर ऑप्स्ट्रा? व्हाट इज आवर लॉस जोन? 245 से लेके 855. ओके, 17,245 से 17,855 में हमारा लॉस बता रहा है. बाकी कहीं भी मार्केट एक्सपायर हो, उसके ऊपर या इसके नीचे हमको प्रॉफिट बता रहा है. नाउ डज दिस मीन दैट वी हैव टू वेट फॉर द एक्सपायरी? द आंसर इज नो. We don't have to wait till the expiry, right? So this chart is telling us as per Thursday expiry मार्केट कहाँ बंद होगी, हमको कितना प्रॉफिट होगा. ओके, तो इधर मैंने सिंगल लॉट लिया है टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू गाइस. सो बेसिकली इफ वी गो टुवर्ड्स 17,000, 10,650 का पर लॉट आपको प्रॉफिट दिखा रहा है एज ऑफ थर्सडे. बट सपोज मंडे वी हैव अ बिग गैप डाउन, okay, and Tuesday we have a follow on. Okay, say let's say suppose right now SGX is showing us what level? 17,511. Okay, suppose we open gap down below 17,450 and there is a continuation in selling and we reach 17,200, 17,150. So that time what will happen is your put जो आपने खरीदा है ये वाला, this will spike. Okay, because IV आपका increase होगा. So this 550 का put will spike. At the same time 550 का call will drop. But 550 के call में फिर भी time value बचेगा आपके पास क्योंकि थर्सडे की एक्सपायरी है. सो हमको क्या करना है? वी डोंट हैव टू वेट टिल द एक्सपायरी. मंडे या ट्यूसडे मैक्सिमम वी हैव टू स्क्वायर ऑफ आवर पोजीशन. ओके, so what we do is Monday or Tuesday we square off. Alternatively, what you can do, so I did the same transaction last week. So in that what I did is I had purchased one option, I think somewhere around 150 and the other one somewhere around 138. अब हुआ क्या, ये 150 का ऑप्शन 400 हो गया. ठीक है, इसमें मेरे को प्रॉफिट हो गया। 138 का जो ऑप्शन था वो 23 हो गया। ठीक है, अब मैंने क्या किया, मैंने 400 का ऑप्शन बुक कर दिया, मैंने 23 को कैंसिल नहीं किया, 400 के ऑप्शन को मैंने बुक कर दिया। ठीक है, सो दिस इज, इवन इफ आई कैलकुलेट, अगर ये 23 भी अगर मेरा लॉस हुआ था, इट्स फाइन। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इज, मार्केट फेल, ये मेरा 400 का मैंने इधर प्रॉफिट बुक किया एंड देन मार्केट रिवर्स्ड। तो ये जो 23 था इसको भी मैंने कॉस्ट पे एग्जिट किया 138 पे। तो यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल। तो मेरे को ये नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस हो गया और इधर मैंने 250 पॉइंट कमा लिए। So this is a low risk strategy. Easy way to do it is, if you are doing it for the first time, easy way to do it is, मंडे को अगर गैप डाउन मिलता है, अच्छा खासा अगर गैप डाउन मिलता है, मार्केट अगर फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स में ब्रेक डाउन कर रही है, ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट जा रहा है टुवर्ड्स द लोअर साइड और द हायर साइड, whichever side, you can book your profit and exit both the positions together. Then you can धीरे धीरे learn how to go about it. Okay, so this strategy was shared in our free Telegram group. If you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is in the description. You can join. We have a paid group as well, premium group. You can join that. उसका भी link आपको description box में मिल जाएगा. One request to all you guys is, please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel so you can get timely updates. Like the video, share the video with your other friends for more such strategies. Also, our final thing that we would like to tell you guys is, stock specific जो action है, okay, there can be a scenario कि 1 या 2 दिन आपको stock specific action ना मिले. So don't go heavy on your stock specific actions on Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday second half से we can see a bounce back in the market. Right? Tuesday second half से we can see a bounce back in the market. Monday मेरे हिसाब से it is safer to play on the downside. Don't go look for the upside, play for the downside. It is safer. Upside पे there are a lot of resistances. अगर मार्केट ऊपर जाती है, it can take a U-turn at any time. There's a lot of pressure. मंडे को यूएस मार्केट बंद है, so we will have less cues from the US market. Important is, डाउ जोन्स ने अपना 61.8% का फिबोनाची लेवल तोड़ दिया है, क्लोजिंग दी है उसके नीचे. So that is very important, guys. So trade well. All the very best. Look forward to catching up with you guys tomorrow. Once again, sorry, last week we couldn't do a video. Hope you guys like the video. Please leave a comment and tell us. Take care. All the best for tomorrow, guys.